channel. Today I'm hanging out with Sadiq Fatai. We are going to be riding the street. He just got a new bike. His bike was stolen last week, so we're outside again. I'm currently putting on Ryan Taylor's shirt, and here is the CEO of Bonnie Up. The link is in the description. Make sure you check it out. Whoa! I thought you said you want to jump down from the stairs. Who does that?
Just the prank.
Okay.
Let's go.
Wait for me, man. Woo. Do a long one, DJ. I can't do any trick because I'm with one hand. Hey, Ola, are you riding with us? Sorry, wait. Come on. Who does that? How are you?
Ow! This thing is heavy. Oh, fuck.
It's a dirt bike in the dirt. Who finds a dirt bike in afternoon in the dirt?
Bro, this thing is not moving.
Is it in gear? This is one in a million. How can you find a dead bike in the bush with Sadiq Fatai on a Saturday afternoon? Ah, no way. Does it have a stand?
The key is not there.
So how do we put it on now? This is stealing, Sadiq.
Let me try it.
When there's no key, how do you expect it to come on? Come on, check out this bike. Ola, did you see what we are saying?
You need to push the bike.
Can you stand it? Is it possible? Does it stand?
I'll just put my bike.
Guys.
Actually take it.
That's stealing.
No, I saw it.
That is stealing.
Let's go. Come on, carry your bike. Let's go.
Hey, but we still have to continue riding, guy. A lucky day with Sadiq. But Sadiq, this is stealing. I don't like the idea. Sadiq is always a lucky man. The last time we went to ride, he won 2 pairs of Vans shoes. Today, we found a Benji. I'm so excited and I'm shaking. Sadiq, you are not even scared if the owner comes to meet us here. So scary, man. Lisha! We found a dirt bike. Ola, that side, and we are here. We found a dirt bike. Do you know who owns it? He's pushing it. Push him. If it doesn't work, we'll push it. Oh yeah, carry Willy, guy. On it now. And have fun with it. Wait till happen. Ola, do you like the bike? Jump on it. Oh, we found a new bike. Let's put the bike aside and let's do what we came here to do, please. Just push it to that side now. Today is our lucky day. For now, we are parking the bike and we are going back to ride.
Walked in dirty room, smell like cigarettes, and I know it's a night.
CJ is used to free coaster. He has forgotten how to use cassette.
Let's go again. Yeah, he finally did it.
They gon' know.
What else?
They gon' know.
360.
Yeah, when my mama told me be here by the hour, I said sorry,
Do your
mama, I'ma hit you up.
Why now?